Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking. And I cheated. I had to do a lot of prep work today ahead of time. And we have more fresh ahi and more sushi grade salmon. So I whipped up some sushi, some sashimi, and I put fresh peaches and strawberries, jalapenos, of course kumquats because that's my vibe. And I also made a big platter of our fresh spring rolls. So again, I had a lot of real estate work to do today, so I had to make my food ahead of time this morning and just get everything organized and ready. So I did that. I'm going to be adding some avocado. I went to the grocery store today for the first time, and since I think March 15th, the first time. Walked into our Trader Joe's and saw Matthew and the gang, and I honestly almost started to cry. It was so cool to actually be in a grocery store. And bless Philip's heart, because he has been boots on the ground helping everybody, like anybody who needed groceries or help if they weren't feeling well, he would deliver food or groceries. But I was walking around and I had my mask on, and he goes, "You're going the wrong way. It's one way. You got to go this way." I'm like, "Oh my gosh, I didn't know there were all these rules." Then I said, "Oh, I forgot to get something. Can I go back, that way to get lemon curd?" And he goes, "Well, you can't take a cart because it's a one-way aisle." So he knows like the whole vibe at the grocery store, unlike me. But we had some beautiful fresh cherries today and blueberries. And oh, I know you guys are wondering about my keto-friendly muffins that Ingrid made, and hers look like popovers. Well, I ordered a new muffin tin, which is going to be silicone, and she said that's the way to go. And she also had me get sunflower oil. So I'm going to try this recipe again, not today, but I am going to try it, and I'm going to use sunflower oil. So this is the cheddar spicy one with crushed red pepper, and this is my very dense fat one, flat one, that has everything bagel on top. And Philip Fredrickson says they're very, very good, so I believe him. And we also received our bottles and are sterilizing them to put our orange cello, kumquat cello, and lemon cello. Remember, like eons ago during this whole outbreak, our neighbors were so kind and got us, let us pick their fruit off their tree. And so we have been brewing, kind of like, what was it called back? Prohibition, making our own alcohol. And we even have cute little limoncello labels. And then the other cool thing that came today, check out this. OMG, I can't wait to make something and do some brulee business on it. I'm not sure what, but we have to get some fuel. So I'm super stoked. I'm going to be bruleeing something soon. And what else? I'm trying to think what else. Today we went to Oceanside, and we have a vacant listing that has been beautifully staged and beautifully renovated by our Ascent Property Management construction and staging company. And it looks flipping awesome. But we filmed a safety video, and we filmed it with an Emmy Award-winning videographer, Jeff Dillow, who works in our company. He's like on site, so we're really blessed to have such a talented person. So we all had our mask on, and we had our gloves on, and we had our booties on, and we filmed this cool video about how we can assist our home buyers and our home sellers virtually while keeping you all safe. And I gotta tell you, what we are doing, we're like on the front line at this point, because we have to clean all the surfaces, the door frames, railings, no lock boxes allowed. We are by appointment only, and we escort all buyers and buyers agents because we want to make sure that they have the proper gear. And we have Ziploc baggies that will have your gloves, your mask, your booties, everything you need if you don't have it. And then we have to clean every single thing after you leave. So it's kind of like we became a cleaning team. It's kind of wild. The, what do you call it, the liability and the risk. But we can do it, and we're excited to do it, and we're excited to help in all the virtual and safe ways possible. So that's something that's going on. Tomorrow morning at 7:30 in the morning, I have my Trustegrity meeting that I am the host of, which I'm super excited of. Now it's our 3rd month in a row that we're having this virtually and via Zoom. I can't wait until we can all gather again and get to see everybody. And I see Ellen, I see Carly, trying to see who else is. I'm trying to look. Philip says I should put my glasses on. I actually have them, they're right here. But I don't think it'll help me because the screen's too far away. Let me see if it does. Oh, heck no, it makes it totally blurry. Like, can't even see a thing. And then what else do I want to tell you about? Oh my gosh, what great news. Hair salons get to open. Hello. I understand that my salon, Lux Beauty, that is located in Rancho Santa Fe, they're going to wait another week to open. They're not rushing it. They're doing a little remodeling, little refresher. The gang all up and running before they open their doors officially. So that's pretty cool and exciting news. So maybe in the next week or so, other services will open that particularly, women are excited to have open, like nail salons, for example, right? We just have to keep everybody healthy, everybody safe. I'm pretty much babbling because I pre-did everything ahead of time, and I'm just gonna keep it in the fridge until we're ready to go outside because we have another appointment, so I have to rush to get through this as well. So everyone stay physically distant. Hate that social distancing business. They need to change that name. And hey, Gwenny, thank you so much for helping us today. Gwen is amazing. So, we can't have anybody with us at a property. And so Gwen FaceTime, I text her, hey girlfriend, put lipstick on. I need you to FaceTime me, like ASAP, to be in this video with me. So Gwenny stepped up to the plate this morning with 0 notice and was a super trooper. Really appreciate that, Gwenny. FaceTiming from property is so easy to do. We had a client, Walt. He purchased a property, he lived in the Bay Area, and he literally never saw his property until he stepped foot in it at his physical inspection. And our client, Rebecca, that we just sold her home, she never ever saw her house that she purchased in Seattle, that she just drove there, she and her teenage son, and walked in for the first time after she closed escrow. And thank God, she loves it. So that's super cool. So physically distant, socially connected, everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you mañana, and I promise I will actually be dicing and slicing. Today, as I said, I already did it this morning. See ya.